strap? Has one side been more feeling it?
Yeah.
On the right or left?
Right side.
Drop it your down.
Oh.
That's what I was expecting.
I think you might have scared her away. She scared you away, this.
Is that tender right there?
Yes. Feels so good. Oh man.
Alright, going down. Okay, face down.
Chiropractic adjustment.
So we're gonna have a post office?
Yes.
Yeah.
I got 5 more years and I'll be eligible for retirement.
Nice.
As soon as I can get it, I'm taking it.